Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, a new week in the month here. I am going to be showing you a new website that a lot of people do not know about because I recently just discovered this one. And Money Makers, let me tell you, it's going to pay you between $15 to $20 per website per review. So basically, you get paid to test websites on it, and it's called UserPeek. So you can sign up and visit a website or a mobile app, complete a set of tests thinking out loud, and then you get paid. So all you got to do is go to userpeek.com/get paid to test websites /. And I will leave the link in the description for you so you'll be able to actually do that. Now, this is very important that you pay close attention to this. You're going to click register now, and it's going to take you to fill out all the information to start making money. So you're gonna put a username, you're gonna put an email, you're gonna put a password, and all of that good stuff. And then once you sign up for it, it's gonna log you into your account, and you're gonna have different projects. You're gonna have different websites or different projects to be able to do. And so this is when you're testing websites, they really want to know: do you like the design of it? So you need to be thinking out constantly out loud. Just say if you was a regular user of the website, how would you feel if you went onto the website and the colors is always blinding your face, or it's always some type of defect with it, or you can't never get onto the website? Those are the functionalities and features that they're going to be asking for you to test. If you give them lackluster answers, then you're not going to get paid. So it's very important that you do your due diligence to really pay attention and slow down and don't go fast. This is not the type of one of those focus groups where you just give your opinion and you don't have no thought to it. This one, they really want you to pay attention to everything, very detail oriented, and pay attention to everything that they're asking you in an instruction or whatever they ask for. You have to make sure you do it, because if you don't do it, you're not going to get your $15 to $20 per website review. It's very important that you follow those directions. Do not come on my page saying I didn't get the money or I didn't do this. This website is really new to me, but I have heard good things about it, so I will suggest it to you guys. Let me know if this is something that you want to do. Have you tested websites before? Have you gotten paid from it? What has been your experience from it? It's a really good, lucrative, and they have a whole bunch of other ones that I'm going to get to throughout the weeks too, that I'm not going to get into today. But I just wanted you to know about this particular one, that is very important that you, and then once you sign up for it, you can go ahead and put in your email and your password and then log on in, and they'll have different projects and website things that you can test out. But I'm not going to hold you too long. Just let me know if this works out for you. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.